Hi, ang topic naman natin ngayon is about zeros of polynomial. So what do you mean by solutions or roots of a polynomial? Setting the factors of a polynomial expression equal to 0 gives the solutions to the equation when the polynomial expression equals 0. Another name for the solutions of a polynomial is the roots of a polynomial. The zeros of a polynomial function are the solutions to the polynomial equation when the polynomial equals 0. Let's have example number 1. We can find the roots or zeros of a polynomial by setting the polynomial equal to 0 and factoring. So we will use the procedure of factoring to find the roots or zeros of a polynomial. So we have the given p of x is equal to x cubed minus 4x. So kung matatandaan ninyo, yung factoring natin ng ganito, may common sila. Ano yung common nila? Yes, yung x yung common nila. So we have 0 is equal to x multiplied by x squared minus 4. Tapos, may makikita pa tayo dyan na pwede natin i-factor. Ano yun? X squared minus 4. And that is 0 is equal to x. Ang factor niya ay sum and difference. So we have x plus 2 and x minus 2. Then after that, equate natin sa 0 yung factors niya. So, meron tayong isa, dalawa, tatlo. So, we have x is equal to 0, then x plus 2 is equal to 0, therefore x is equal to negative 2. Then x minus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to 2. So, we have the zeros of 0, negative 2, and positive 2. Example number 2. P of x is equal to x squared minus 16. Natatandaan nyo ba kapag kaganyan yung ating factoring? Yes, dots yan. Difference of two squares. So we have a squared minus b squared is equal to product of a plus b and a minus b. So ang factor niya is the product of x plus 4 and x minus 4. Then, equate to 0. X plus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to negative 4. And the other one is x minus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 4. Our zeros are negative 4 and positive 4. Example number 3. Find the zeros of p of x is equal to x cubed minus 7x plus 6. So, ano yung unang gagawin natin dyan? Kung ating ang highest degree ay 3. So, meron tayong list all the divisors of the constant, which is 6. Hanapin natin yung constant. Yung constant, nasa dulo siya. So, positive 6. Ano raw yung factor ng 6? And these are positive negative 1, positive negative 2, positive negative 3, and positive negative 6. Ilan lahat yan yung possible natin? 2, 4, 6, 8. So, 8 numbers lahat yan. So, yung tatlo dyan, yung magiging zeros, roots, or solutions ng polynomial natin. Use synthetic division to find one zero among the divisors. So, dyan sa 8 yan, mag-try tayo. Kahit na anong gusto nyo i-try dyan muna. So, try natin ang positive 1. So, try x is equal to 1. So, we have 1. Get the numerical coefficient, highest degree 3, dapat 4 na numbers. May missing tayo. So, let the missing exponent 0 yung ilalagay natin. So, we have 1, 0, negative 7, and 6. Bring down 1. 1 times 1 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. Multiplied by 1 is 1. Negative 7 plus 1 is negative 6. Times 1 is negative 6. Plus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore, okay tayo sa 1. So, alin pa yung dalawang zeros natin? Because 1 is a zero of p of x, therefore, x minus 1 is a factor of p of x. Kailangan pa natin makita yung dalawang solutions natin. So, zeros is 1, and the factor is x minus 1, and x squared plus x minus 6. Saan galing yung x squared plus x minus 6? Doon yan sa answer natin sa synthetic. ginawa natin siyang polynomial. So, yung x squared plus x minus 6, equate natin sa 0, then proceed in factoring. Ano ang factor ng x squared plus x minus 6? Yes, the product of x plus 3 and x minus 2 is equal to 0. Then equate to 0 yung x plus 3 tsaka x minus 2. Therefore, x is equal to negative 3 and x is equal to positive 2. So, kumpleto na yung zeros natin. We have 1, negative 3, and positive 2. Factors natin, x minus 1, x plus 3, and x minus 2. Pwede rin naman natin gamitin yung synthetic para doon sa roots natin. Tuloy-tuloy lang natin yung synthetic. Kasi dito sa una, gumamit tayo ng synthetic and factoring. Ito, puro synthetic lang. Let's try. So we have 1. Get the numerical coefficient. We have 1, 0, negative 7, 6. Bring down 1 times 1 is 1. Plus 0 is 1. Times 1 is 1. Plus negative 7 is negative 6. Times 1 is negative 6. Plus 6 is equal to 0. So check tayo doon. 1 is one of the roots. Then, mag-try ulit tayo ng isa pang number. Try natin ang positive 2. Diyan lang din tayo, magko-continue lang tayo. So, bring down 1 times 2 is 2, plus 1 is 3, times 2 is 6. So, negative 6 plus 6 is equal to 0. So, check na naman tayo kasi remainder natin ay 0. So, isang number na lang yung hanapin natin. Madali na yan, no? Kasi 3 yung nasa last number natin. So, try negative 3, bring down 1 times negative 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. So, therefore, our zeros are 1, negative 3, and positive 2. The factors are x minus 1 and the product of x plus 3 and x minus 2. Last example. P of x is equal to x minus 3 to the second power multiplied by x plus 2 to the third power and x plus 1. Ano yung mapapansin natin dito? Ilan kaya yung number of solutions, roots natin dito sa given polynomial? So, count natin ang ating exponent. We have 2, 3, and 1. Therefore, 6 na solution, 6 na roots or zeros yung kailangan na maging sagot natin. So, we have 3 as a 0 with multiplicity of 2. Bakit? Kasi ang degree niya ay 2. So, ibig sabihin, naulit, dalawang 3 yung 0 natin. Next, x plus 2 to the third power. We have negative 2 as a 0 with multiplicity 3. Ibig sabihin, tatlong negative 2. And the last one, x plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, negative 1 as a 0 with multiplicity of 1. So, that's it.